Assalamualaikum, my lovely viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to download and install VMware Workstation in Windows 11. So first of all, we have to go to the Mozilla Firefox browsing, then write VMware Workstation. Download, then go to the vmware.com site. Workstation 17 is the update or latest version Pro for Windows. Download now. It's the .exe file is downloading. It is 572 MB. So the download is completed. Now go to the exe file, click. Yes. Go to the next. I accept the term in the license agreement. Click. Install hypervision platform automatically. Yes. Next. Next. Here, create shortcut for VMware Workstation Pro in the following place: desktop as well as the start menu programs folder. Then next, install. See, it's done. Completed the VMware Workstation Pro setup wizard. Finish. Here the icon is here, VMware Workstation. If we click, here is the features or Windows is workstation. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.